wanna learn tonight? What words? Tell me. Hi, Alvin. Okay, I will teach you more. Hindi ko alam. Guys, di nyo ba napapansin nilulunok ko? Until now, I remember. What? What is hindi ko alam? What is hindi... Hoy, sabi ni Doc, why you don't know? Why you don't know? Smile. Sige, basta kasama yung mama mo, Andrea. Andreano. Happy New Year pa to, God. Hi, Puknoy. Wanda, hello. Wala. So, we will teach you more, you know. Ano bang magandang Tagalog? Nagtuturo sa kanya, guys. Mabaho ako. That means I smell good. I smell good, like perfume ba? Must be hello. Huy, I'm telling the truth. Mabaho ako. I smell good. You should tell... You should, you should ask Juana what's the real meaning of mabaho ako. B is mabaho because she know league. Guys, pakikiksi smile. Hello, Husky. Wala na yung matao. Burger. Hi, James. No! What the heck? That's too fast to dropping by. Okay, Happy New Year. I just wishing people